Okay, it is recording. Okay, so this is try number one, I guess. Loot Crate unboxing. Let's see what we got. This is October's box. Let's see here. Cut this bad boy open. Let's see what's inside. Okay, oh hey, this is pretty cool. We've got a Loot Crate October time button. Let's see if we can get a nice little shot of that. Yeah, there we go. We've got a Doc Emmett Brown pop. This is pretty badass. Yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, nice. Put that right there. Let's see, we've also got a t-shirt of some sort. The box out of the way. Let's see, what is this? Oh my god. It's Bill and Ted. Excellent Adventure. Nice big old Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure. Awesome t-shirt. Sweet. That's gonna be cool. Oh, leave that out. We've got a hoverboard, 1/5 scale. Let's see what that looks like. There's the lid. There's an official Back to the Future 2. This document certifies 1/5 scale. Loot Crate, cool. Some foam. Hey, it's pretty cool looking. Ooh, nice little hoverboard. It's got a little stand, mirrored bottom, so you can see the things that make it hover. That's pretty damn cool. I'll put that right there. Put this away. You over there. What else have we got? We've got a Doctor Who Sonic Spork. Sonic Spork. See that? Sonic Spork. Didn't make that up, someone else did. And there it is. Yep. That is a Sonic Spork, if I've ever seen one. Does it do anything? Nope, it's just a Sonic Spork. Yeah, pretty cool. Little thing at the end. Sporky. Spork-like. Nice container though. Put that back. Put that. Can I put that back? Get in there. The usual Time magazine catalog thing that always comes in a Loot Crate box. And inside the box is not very well lit. It's all kinds of time stuff. There's a telephone booth. Oh, it's Bill and Ted from the stage. Party on, dudes. That's pretty cool. See the inside. Inside the box. Yay, exciting. That's it. It's a pretty cool Loot Crate for this month. Oh man, that's make Marty. Nice. So, until next time, good luck, have fun, enjoy.